Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. So today, I'm guessing it's gonna be like a vlog type, type, a blog style type video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I have so much to do and I just really don't feel like doing it. It's Sunday. I kind of want to chill a little bit. I don't know how many days this video is going to go over, but just want to kind of go over some of the things that I have to do. First, I got two more orders for an order for two more clutch bags, an order for two more tote bags. So I'm going to show you the fabric that I'm going to use to make those two tote bags. I may cut them out in this video. Who knows? I also have to print and cut some stickers for my shop. I have added new stickers to the shop. I added my cookie doodles and I added some sticker sheets to the shop. They're for planning. So I need to print and cut some more stickers and photograph those. Y'all know I'm horrible at photographing stuff, so give me a little bit of grace. I did buy templates for my Shopify store on Etsy, so I'm gonna look at those templates, see which ones I like the best, or which one I like the best, and then figure out how to upload it and change my store around. Because right now I don't like the look of my store, but I mean it's functional. It has everything that I do on there. T-shirts, there are some tote bags on there, stickers. I don't think I have any clutch bags on there. So yeah, it's functioning, but I want to make it pretty. Yeah. Also, what else? I need to film some sticker hauls for my planning channel. I think I've done all my plan with me videos, and I'm also doing education videos on there. I need to watch those, and if I have a companion piece that I added to the video, I need to work on that companion piece. Like if it's a worksheet or something like that, make sure I put that up in my store to make sure it's available when I tell people that they're available. I think that's about it of the things that I have to do. You got to do household things. I got to wash clothes. I have to move stuff because Tuesday they're coming to clean the carpet. So I have to move stuff off of the carpet. That is something I really don't want to do. But I got up this morning. I have a tendency to keep boxes. Like if I buy a printer or something like that, I will keep the boxes for months and months and months. So I did. I got up this morning. I cleaned out my refrigerator. I got all of those boxes that I've been holding on to, Amazon boxes, and I did take those to the dumpster, and I made a little trip to the Dollar Tree. So yeah. So I've been productive today. All right. So yeah. So let me show you the fabric that I'm going to make the two tote bags out of. The first one, you all have seen this fabric before. I made my prototype bag out of it. I promise I'm going to work on that eventually. I be tired. Work has gotten so busy and I'm tired. I'm really tired. So I'm going to use this fabric for the top of the bag. This faux leather for the bottom of the bag, right? And then this waterproof canvas for the lining, right? So see if I can hold all of these up together. So this is what's going to be the first bag. And of course, you know, I'll show you guys as I go along. Because I think this video will probably be over a couple of days. I'm not gonna do a whole lot today. It's Sunday. I kind of like to rest on Sundays if I can. So the next one I'm gonna make out of this Inquires print fabric. I'm gonna use this cork for the bottom. All right, and I'm going to use, let me roll this up, this for the lining, this waterproof canvas for the lining. So yeah, so I think this will be super cute. Trying to hold this up. Yeah. So yeah, and I think this time for the pockets on the front, I will have to match up these circles. So I'll match them up as best as I can. I'm not gonna give myself a headache trying to do it. Because the person I make the bags for, they really don't care. But I know aesthetic wise, that would just take the bag to a whole different level. All right, so those are the fabrics that I'm going to use for the bags. So I got to decide whether now I'm going to cut out the bags or if I'm going to work on stickers. Stickers are easy because I get to sit down. So we'll see. But I am eventually going to cut out these bag pieces. I like to do things over days, especially if I have more than one to make. If I have one to make, I probably can just whip it out in one day. But since there's two, I'm going to more than likely cut the fabric one day and cut the fabric and interfacing one day, then iron the interfacing the next day and start to sew that same day. And then maybe a third day, I will sew the bags up. So I don't have to get them to her until next weekend. So I have a week to get them done. All right, so let's see what I get into today. think I've ever taken you all down this aisle. I don't know if it's real or fake. The remnant aisle looking a little thin. Family pajama season is coming up.
Green and pink. It's
Merry Christmas. To you. So I wanted to pop back in really quick and show you guys the finished bags. I had to make some changes because I used the wrong fabric on the wrong bag. So with this one, I was going to use the burgundy fabric on the bottom. Well, the burgundy fabric is in the closet and the cork fabric was sitting on the table. So I automatically just grabbed the cork fabric and added it to the bottom of this bag. It's fine, it's still cute, but I really wanted the burgundy for it, but the cork is fine. Just like the other bags I made, has the 3 pockets on the front, has a zipper pocket on the back, and it's a large instead of a medium. So here's the first one. And because I used that cork, I didn't have any more left, so I had to use a different cork for this bag. So I had to find the darker brown cork for this bag, which is fine because it has darker brown in here. And then when I cut this, I could have swore I lined up my circles, but that didn't work either. Anyway, so here is this finished one with the brown cork on the bottom. Again, 3 pockets on the front, zipper pocket on the back. The inside has a magnetic snap and it also has a slip pocket on the inside. All right, so here are the 2 finished tote bags. So question of the day, those tote bags, it's actually a week later. Those tote bags took me that long to get done. I cut them out one day and they've been sitting on the table ever since. So question of the day is, when you are doing a sewing project, do you like to complete that sewing project in one day, or do you like to do a project in multiple days? I prefer to finish a project in one day. If I have to work on it multiple days, then I'm going to lose interest in it. So let me know in the comments, one day project or multiple day projects. All right. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.